Review sample Z. Welcome back. So let's get to the next section. So this time we're going to look at putting together, designing the sign up page. So let's get right to it. So here what we're going to do, Solution Explorer. So ice cream, okay, all right. New, is it add new item? Okay, so we add a new window. So this one will be sign up page. Sign up page. Okay, so there won't be that much of a difference between the sign up page and the login page. We'll just wait for it to load. Okay, so I'm going to change format to this for you guys' sake. So go to the login page. So mostly we're going to copy mostly everything that's here on the login page. So we'll start from here all the way down here, everything in that grid there, then cut, copy. We're not going to cut, we're going to copy, then come to our sign up page, then everything here, there, then we're going to paste. Okay, so we'll pick up from where we left off. Let me just do this. Okay, so you can see the whole tag in perspective. There and there and there. Okay, there and there. Okay, so there we go. Now let's pick up from where we left off, except we're not looking at this now, we're looking at this here. So here we, in the previous page, we had 1, 2 text boxes. So this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, we have 4. So what we're going to do is simply this. So order label, content, sign in. Okay, so as a button, sign in. So that will say sign up. Okay, sign up. So then this label here, new user, it won't say new user, it will say EXISTING, existing user, sign in. Existing user, sign in. Then we'll come up here. Then we'll just need, let's see, let's do that. Label and border, just copy that. So let me put that off. Sorry. Label and border, so let me put that in perspective there. Okay, so let me do that from here. So cut, no, not cut, but copy. Then we'll say 1, 2, enter. Then okay, so that is 3. Let's just clean that up. Okay, oh yeah, so clean that up. Then let's add another one more. Okay, so that one's not showing because of height, so let's adjust the height. But before we do that, let's just clean up real quick here. Okay, it's all good. Okay, so okay, so that's okay. So let's adjust the height now. So where's our height? Height is here 600. So let's see if 650 will do. No. Okay, let's go 750, but we'll do this 700. Then we'll save. Then oh dear. What is wrong with this one? Let me see. Okay, so let's see if we can copy that. Okay, so no effect. Okay, so height Okay, so let's see, 800. Let's just make it 800. Okay, 775. So that's okay. This won't matter when you maximize the window. Oh, that is looking weird. Let's make that 1000. Nope, I'm not getting that effect. Okay, 1000. Getting the widescreen effect? No, still not. 1200. Okay, it will matter when you maximize the window in the production version of the application and things like that. So this is everything that's required. So let's just make some adjustments. So let's see. Name, email, password, address. Name. So this is this label here. You can see the name. So which one? Okay, content. Okay, so here we are. Content, email. So that will be name. So name, password. Name, email. Name, email, password. Okay, address. Name, email, password, address. Okay, so here we go. Name, email, password, address, existing user, sign in, sign up, existing user, sign in, address. Okay, and yeah, so let's wire up that one. So it was on which page here? Okay, so that's the sign up page. So let's just save first. Okay, so SIGN. Sign up page. Good. Sign up page dot show this dot close. Okay, so I don't know, the dumb robot is actually working now. Okay, so that has been wired up. So so how are we going to do this? Okay, so when we just hold on, cautionary tale. Take some precautionary measures first. Clean that up. Clean that up, then we'll come here. Then here what we'll do, it's just for debug purposes. So we'll select all this here, all this line of code here, up to, is it there? Yeah, up to there. Then what we're going to do is we'll comment that out so that it can load slightly faster and stuff like that. Then yeah, let us run the application. Let's see. So okay, let me minimize, looks scary. Okay, there we are. Okay, so here we are. So we saw the sign in page, so let's see the sign up page now. Okay, so there we are. So when we click sign up, when you come to the sign up page, it will take us to the product page. So when we click sign in button, it will take us to the login page. So when you click login there, it will take us to the product page. So the next thing we're going to look at is the product page. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next episode. We meet back here again. Peace.